welcome to an algebra tutorial video. We're learning about linear equations, and in this video we're going to talk about how to turn a standard form equation of a linear equation into slope-intercept form. So standard form, let's talk about kind of what we got going on. Standard form is in the form ax plus by equals c. If you've watched my previous couple videos, you know that a, b, and c have to be integers. Well, b and c have to be integers or positive or negative whole numbers. A has to actually be positive. It can't be negative at all. And then it's rearranged just like this. A, B, and C have no common factors as well. But what we want to do is turn this, again, we have other forms of linear equations as well, and we want to be really fluent in going back and forth using algebra because each form has kind of its own unique strength. So we're going to talk about how to turn standard form into slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b. And the reasons why you might want to do this is you may want to figure out, well, what is the slope of the line? Standard form doesn't give you that very well. Or you may want to know the y-intercept. So this gives you information if you can really easily convert it into slope-intercept form. So let's talk about how to do that. We've got the equation 4x plus 11y equals 18. And to turn it into slope-intercept form, I need to rearrange all of this just to get y by itself and everything else simplified on the other side of the equal sign. So I got to do some algebra. I got to do stuff to both sides to get there. Well, the first thing I'm going to want to do is I need to get rid of whatever's being added or subtracted. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides of the equation. 11y plus 4x, but then subtracted 4x. These are opposite operations. They cancel each other out, leaving just 11 times y is equal to negative 4x plus 18. So we're starting to again fit this pattern, rearrange it into this pattern. We've got now x and the constant on the same side. I got to get rid of that 11 in front of the y, that 11 that's multiplying the y. So the opposite of multiplying by 11 is to divide by 11. And if I divide the left side by 11, I have to divide everything on the right side by 11 as well. 11 divided by 11, those are opposite, so divide out, leaving just 1y, is equal to negative 4 elevenths, just a fraction, it's my slope, plus 18 elevenths. Now I could convert 18 elevenths into a mixed number. I could say, all right, well that's the same as negative 4 elevenths x plus 1 and 7 elevenths. And either one is fine. But there we go. We've got it into slope-intercept form. The slope of my line is, it's a fraction, but it's negative 4 elevenths. As my x values change by 11, my y values decrease by negative 4. That's the rate of change happening in this linear equation. And then we also have the y-intercept. I know that this line goes through the point when x is 0, a y value of 1 and 7 elevenths. All right, hopefully that was helpful for you in understanding how we can take standard form of linear equations and convert them into slope-intercept form.